Tomorrow at 7 PM BST, I'll be restocking my website's online shop. This is an event that generally happens 2 or 3 times a year, and each update generally consists of about 200 to 400 pieces. And they include many of the pots you may have seen me make in videos here on YouTube, and I'll leave a link down in the description below to the website shop, although it won't be accessible until 7 PM tomorrow. All the pots you can see in this video are the pieces that'll be available, from prices ranging from £45 for the smaller bowls and cups to £600 for a set of one-off jars made with lids that differ greatly from the usual. There's even a few ironclad bowls and many other individual shapes. For those of you who are unfamiliar with my updates, it's worth mentioning that generally they sell out quite quickly, in about 2 to 6 minutes, with mugs always being the most popular for some reason. Shipping is of course international, and if you happen to make multiple purchases and check out numerous times, like some people seem to do, I always consolidate those orders and refund the excess shipping. Lastly, as it's just me photographing everything, packing everything, and shipping all of these out, sometimes orders won't leave my studio for about 10 or 12 days. I try to do everything as quickly as I can, but I also aim to keep relatively normal hours, and I take my time making sure that every pot is wrapped really well, so hopefully there aren't any breakages, which I can attest to, I think, as with over 2,500 packages sent, I've only had about 5 pots arrive completely smashed. Which I suppose no matter how careful you are, some breakages are always eventually going to happen. Anyhow, just to recap, my online shop goes live tomorrow at 7 PM BST, British Summer Time. Thanks so much for your support, both in purchasing my pots in the past and for watching my videos too. It all really means such a huge amount to me, and I honestly can't thank you enough. I'm very lucky to do what I love for a living, and I certainly wouldn't be doing that if it wasn't for all of you. I'll see you tomorrow for my shop update and for my usual video upload at 4 PM that shows the glazing and firing of a large angular bowl I trimmed recently.